Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the locked content and games on your PlayStation 4. So if you do have like a lock symbol and you can't launch your game, what you want to do is go up to the top and then go on over to settings and then go to where it says account management and then go to account information. Then under account management, let's go on down to where it says activate as your primary PS4. And make sure your PlayStation 4 is completely activated. Go to activate right on the top, and my PlayStation 4 is activated as my primary. If that doesn't work, we can go over to restore licenses, and then restore all the licenses on our PlayStation. And this should take about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how many games you actually bought. But if you are having a problem using your purchased content through the PlayStation Store, this should fix those problems. The other thing that you could do is go up to sign out right here, sign out of your account, and then sign back in. You will need your email address and password, but most of the time this does fix my issues. Most of the time by going to restore licenses, that's what fixes my issue. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.